So, choose a venue that complements your theme. So, choose ka venue na mo complement sa imong team, like kanang maging kuan bitaw, maging maayo ang kanang experience sa imong mga kanang attendees, o ang kanang event bitaw maging memorable, o kanang hindi nila makalimutan kay tungod sa kanang nakakadindot, like nana ba. So, how to choose an event theme. So, if you're in the planning phase of your event, you're probably wondering how to choose an event theme. Because choosing an event theme, like setting the stage for a fantastic experience, it's all about creating a mood, vibe, and atmosphere that will make your event truly unique and memorable. So first is looking at the purpose of your event. Why are you having this